Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google's Circle to search on your iOS device. What you have to do first is go to your App Store on your device and search for the Google app. Download the Google app, or if you have the Google app already, update the app to its latest version. Once you're done downloading or updating the app, what you have to do next is open Shortcuts and add a new action. To add a new action, tap on the plus button on the top right corner of your screen. And search for Search Image with Length. Tap on the one with the Google icon. And next is tap on the arrow down button next to the done button and rename the shortcut to search this one. After that, we close our Shortcuts app and go to our settings. Once we're in our settings, we go to Accessibility and we go to Touch. Once in Touch, we scroll all the way down to Back Tap and tap on Double Tap. We will scroll all the way down till we see Search This One and tap on it. That's it. Once we tap the back of our device, a Google search will open up and you have now accessed Google's Circle search. If you like the video, tap on that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.